YouTube, what's good? It's your man Warwick's Official, and in today's video, got a little surprise for you guys. Let's see if what you guys know about this. Roush, what y'all know about that, man? What do y'all think it is? No reveal, I'm not revealing it yet. What do y'all think it is? Leave a comment in the comment section right now. Can't even go into it too much. I just want to see what you guys are guessing. Don't cheat, comment now. Alright guys, so we're about to go to the shop. You guys probably already know what it is by now. If I'm talking about this, you guys want to hear it after. This is the before. And you'll hear the after soon. Boy, love this car. This car's super clean. And yes, we went with the orange one. If you're wondering what am I talking about, click the pop-up in the top of this video. And also check out the Tail of the Dragon run. Got the vlog and the POV. Both in the description. Check it out. Did you know I was going with the orange one? How did you know? Yes, you did. Catch y'all when we get to the shop, man. We're getting the resonators deleted on the H-pipe. Getting the stock resonators cut off. You guys aren't gonna see my plates. But then we're getting the H-pipe put on. So as we just got to the shop, we're actually at All-Star Muffler Center. They're gonna be doing the resonator delete on my Mustang. So this is stock resonator. Looks like the guy modified it. That's what he said before. So that big old resonator, that's what's making the car sound so choked up right now. We changed the resonator. We got the Roush H-pipe. That's going to make the car sound a whole lot deep tone, deep throat muscle car sound, which is what we want. Could have went with the X-pipe. We know you get more power with the X-pipe, but we like the deep throat sound muscle car. They gave me a good price. I went to this other shop. The other shop was talking way too much, trying to BS. So I don't like to go to shops that try to charge you too much and BS you on the price. This place, they didn't BS me on the price and nothing. Kind of out, you guys know I'm getting the H-pipe on the car, but what mufflers do you guys think I'm getting? Am I getting mufflers? Say leave a comment on the video right now. It does look like the previous owner did some work there. That's what one of the guys said here. And actually, I'm looking back here, looks like he probably had an axle back put on the car and kept the stock muffler. I'm actually not getting mufflers today, but I will be coming back to get some mufflers. What kind of mufflers do you guys think? I mean, I'm not going to go into the brands. Pretty much you guys probably already know. They got Flowmaster, Borla. I forgot some of the other companies, but they got a ton of mufflers that you can get. Oh, that's the stock one. Yeah, we don't like the stock resonator, no sir. So right now you're just putting on the H-pipe. The H-pipe is on. Ooh. Good.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run